Hey, Power Seekers! Welcome back to our series on mastering the 48 laws of power. Today, we're diving into Law 2, a game changer in your quest for influence and control. If you want to know how to secure your position and crush your enemies without infuriating them, you're in the right place. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay ahead in the power game. Now, Law 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. This law might sound harsh, but it's a pivotal strategy for your ascent to power. Greene emphasizes the risks of trusting friends too much, as they might take advantage of your trust or fail you at critical moments. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Cultivate and befriend your enemies. Throughout history, successful figures applied this law. Think Caesar and Cleopatra, or even modern-day business tycoons, forging partnerships amidst fierce competition. The key? Leveraging enemies to your advantage. By strategically aligning with adversaries, you gain crucial insights and bolster your own power. But hold on, this isn't about backstabbing or playing dirty. It's about understanding the dynamics of power and human nature. It's like a chess game, predicting your opponent's moves and using their power plays to strengthen your own position. Now here's where the rubber meets the road. How can you apply Law 2 in your life? It's all about being discerning with trust, observing your relationships, and strategically forming alliances that serve your ultimate goals. Remember, this isn't about making enemies, but understanding the power they hold and harnessing it for your benefit. So, what did we learn today? Trust with caution, befriend your enemies, and navigate the intricate web of power dynamics. Are you ready to seize control, avoid betrayal, and become a master of influence? Let's embark on this powerful journey together. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts on Law 2. And of course, hit the like button if you're ready to master the art of power. Until next time, keep wielding that influence, and I'll catch you in the next power-packed video.